Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my very first fitness vlog of 2019. As many of you know, I uploaded my first weight loss vlog in June of last year, and from then on I was uploading weekly weight loss vlogs, and I had a lot of ups and downs and I had a lot of success on the scale. But to be 100% honest with you guys, I was still really struggling with some stuff on the inside. In October, it was my trainer's idea for me to participate in Sober October. The reason why I never talked about it on my vlog is because I never did it. And honestly, I was like really struggling with it. And I had a whole conversation with my trainer about how I was struggling with it, and he encouraged me to share with you guys on the vlog, but I just felt like it was so far out of my comfort zone. So from there, things just kind of got worse, especially through the holidays. I just wasn't in a good place. Like, I felt depressed, I was drinking too much, I was binge eating, and I put on a ton of weight, and there was no way that I could upload those vlogs. Like, I couldn't face the music. I wasn't ready to be 100% honest with what was going on behind the camera, and at the same time I also didn't want to lie and put up a vlog that was just faking it, because that's not what I'm about and that's not what this series is about. This series is so important to me. It means so much to me in my life, and I'm so thankful to have you guys as my followers and to have you guys tune in every week. And I just want to say thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'm sorry for being inconsistent. Like, I want to be better, and the only thing I can do is keep trying. So what I realized when I reflected back on all these vlogs is that I was really focused on success in terms of transforming my body and what the scale said. And I thought that when I reached my goals physically, that all of my other struggles that I was dealing with internally would go away. They would heal themselves because I would feel good. And that's just not how things work. I think it works the other way around. Like, you need to feel good on the inside first to be able to stick with your goals and to work hard and to make hard choices that are the right choices. You have to be right on the inside first. So part of what I'm doing in my whole recommitment to myself in this series is that I want to focus more on doing things that are good for me on the inside. I think being sober for me is going to be a huge game changer. So once again, I just wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in and for sticking with me. And I want to tell you that I am so excited to be back vlogging again, and I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen and what we're gonna do. I don't even know what week this is. Like, I left off I think at like week 24, but then I don't even know whatever. But so here is week 1 of 2019. Good morning guys. I wanted to show you my breakfast. I have 4 of my little egg bites that I made, which you will see a recipe soon. And there was actually 2 of them that didn't make it to the plate because they just got eaten real quick. And then I put some guac on there, my homemade guac. And then I have a little bit of smoked salmon and my coffee. I'm headed to the gym right now. I've gone to the gym Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I took yesterday off and I'm back today. I was like insanely sore the past couple days. I'm still sore, but I figured it wouldn't hurt to take yesterday off. I'll probably do a little bit of cardio and then some lifting today. When I weighed myself this morning, I was 194, and like overall, like, I need to drink a ton of water today. I just bought a gallon right now from the gas station. I feel like super bloated and a little like backed up, if you catch my drift. Either the day that I started or the day before I started, I was at 201 pounds. I just want to get in this work, like stay focused, and feel good again. Yesterday I did intermittent fasting. I ate from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. that was my window. But today it was like 5 a.m. I was already up and I was hungry. I'm like, dude, the thought of going until 2 p.m. without eating, I was just like, I mean, I probably could have done it, but I want to work out and like I have a lot to do today, and I was just like, I don't think that's a good idea. So I'm gonna try to continue intermittent fasting, but when I wake up at a more appropriate hour, like aka not 5 a.m. Update, guys. I feel sick as hell. My stomach just doesn't feel right, and I got a lot of stuff I gotta do today, so I just need to power through it. So I have been using my Fitness Pal. My total for the day was 1,500 calories, which is not bad, and it looks like I am at 72% fat, 24% protein, and 4% carbohydrates. So I'm right on target. So I'm about to take a shower and get into bed. I've drank more than half a gallon of water today, and my lips are chapped and I have a headache, so like I don't get it. I hope that I just get a good rest tonight and that tomorrow I can have a good workout and just feel better tomorrow. So it's about 6:45. I just got home. I had a very successful grocery shopping trip. Like, I feel like most of the time when I go, I'm like, what was I doing? What was I thinking? I like forgot to get a lot of things that I needed, or I'm just not very thorough. I feel like I was very thorough. So that's good. I am about to do a crock pot recipe that I saw on Instagram. Let me show you guys. So it feels very grown up of me to cook red meat because honestly, I've never done this. Okay, but so this is what I'm gonna put in there: the au jus gravy and then ranch. I'm gonna put half of the packets, and then pepperoncinis, and then also you're supposed to put some butter in there and then slow cook it. So it's a pot roast. Are you guys like, duh? I'm very like, I'm not like a good cook at all. I'm very kitchen incompetent. I'm sure you guys caught on to that. But so yeah, that means like with this pot roast, I can do anything with it. I can put it in salads. I can make little tacos, put it with eggs, quesadillas, like whatever. This is the recipe that I saw, and it just looked so easy. So that's why it appealed to me. I'll show you guys some of the other stuff that I got at the grocery store. I didn't seek these out. They appeared to me. But this is Parmesan Crisps, 100% bite cheese. It has 0 carbohydrates, 2 grams of fat, 30 calories. This one girl on Instagram, it made her cauliflower rice, like Mexican rice style. It looked delicious. So she used this, so we're gonna put this one on deck. I picked up some sugar-free Jell-O because I want to show you guys my gummy bear recipe. And then I wanted to get some miso paste because I saw this really bomb looking miso soup recipe, but I settled for the miso broth instead. And this also, oh wait, 6 grams of carbohydrates minus dietary fiber equals 4 net carbs per cup. So it's a little bit higher, but I'm willing to risk it. But these are the noodles I was telling you about, or I didn't even realize they're fettuccine. But I got them at Ralph's. 10 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. I also picked up some spinach dip. This was another idea that I got on Instagram. I saw this one girl dips pork rinds in her spinach dip. I just like, I can't get past the fact, I don't know, I can't eat pork rinds, it grosses me out. But this would be good with celery, which I forgot to get actually. My kitchen is a mess right now. I'm gonna clean it when I get home from the gym, but not right now. I also wanted to show you guys, I've been obsessed with like home decor stuff. So I got some stuff from Target I want to show you. So this bowl, that brass bowl, I actually bought a long time ago. They wouldn't let me return it. So I just stuck it there. And then this vase and those flowers, I literally took it off of the display. I kind of like it here at the side table. All right, I am going to get ready to go to the gym right now. I want to do some cardio, and then I for sure want to do some hip thrusts because I feel like that's just what makes your butt big. Like I can feel it really in my butt when I do it. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. Tonight was the first night that I ran on the treadmill in forever. Like, I used to run all the time and then I fell out of the habit, and like I think I haven't been running in like maybe like a year. Like I haven't ran. I was kind of struggling through my strength exercises. I don't know what was going on, but like my hands and my feet like were like tingling, like numb. And so I don't know, it's like felt like I have like no blood circulation or something. Probably not good. Anyways, I'm feeling good, and probably for the past 20 minutes of my workout I was just thinking about like what am I gonna eat, because a bitch is so hungry. I haven't eaten since like 2 p.m. It's 10 p.m. I'm like, does that count as like fasting? Like I don't know. Anyways, I've been hella thinking about, I was like, should I get like Wingstop? It's keto. I mean, anyways, all right, I gotta get out of here. I just got home. I'm gonna make soup and salad because ain't nobody got time for Wingstop. Like it's probably gonna take like what, excuse me, like an hour to arrive or something, and I'm like super hungry now. By the way, I opened these. Delicious. These are by like the crouton and salad dressing section in Ralph's. When I opened them I was like, oh, you made a mistake, because I felt like I was gonna eat the whole thing. I'm gonna put them in my salad. I think I put a little bit too much mushrooms, but it's because I felt ridiculous buying one, so I bought two, and I was like, what are you gonna do? Just put both in. Honestly, it smells a little funky. Ew. Ew. What the f? Oh, yuck. That is wrong. Did I do it wrong? Is that possible? Ugh. Well, there goes my whole dinner idea. What are we gonna eat, Gremlin? Honestly, I had a feeling about that miso broth. I knew that I needed the miso paste. I could just tell, like, by the box that it was like inauthentic and that it wasn't gonna be good, but I was like, maybe it'll surprise you. All right, here is my salad. If it looks like it's a lot of greens, it's because it is. And then my pizza is almost done, and I'm gonna just try and have just a little bit of it. I don't want to overdo it. Good morning, guys. So it's about 8:30 a.m. right now on Saturday. I was unable to vlog yesterday. I had some stuff going on. Today I have a lot of cleaning to do around the house. Hello. So we have my new chandelier here that will get hung on Tuesday of next week. So that one, which is the chandelier that just came with the house, will be gone. And then I'm also gonna hang some paintings on the other side of that mirror, so that'll just give that some width. Hi, my little poopers. I have been cleaning all day, and I had to run to the grocery store to get some more cleaning supplies. And I was just craving some sushi, so I picked up some salmon sushi, and I threw away the rice. And then I have soy sauce and some sriracha mayo that I might try with it. Hi guys, it is 12:30 on Sunday. I woke up at like 11 today. I'm having some coffee right now. I just had an entry table delivered, and I'm trying to figure, I've literally been sitting here for like 20 minutes looking at it, trying to decide if I like it or not. I'm like, why am I like this? Why am I so indecisive? Okay, don't mind the stuff in the background because I got a little project going on there. Actually, I have a lot going on here with everything, these two mirrors and stuff, but yeah, so I don't know. I saw Gremlin, don't judge me. I don't know, I tried to put the table to like fill up the empty space, but I really don't know if it works. But yeah, it was on sale at CB2. I'm hoping that if I don't like it, I can return it. I weighed in this morning at 191.4. I also have to tell you guys that I have my lady time right now. So I just feel like a big ass boat. I made a deal with myself. I didn't go to the gym yesterday, but I was seriously like nonstop all day cleaning. Like cleaning here is a lot different than it was in my apartment. Like it took all days, pardon my French, and like a bitch was sweating. Oh, and I put wallpaper up in my room. So like yesterday I was pretty active, but I didn't make it to the gym. I made a deal with myself. You can chill for a little bit today, but I'm gonna go to the gym tonight. Yeah.
What?
Can you get that fucking camera out of my face?
What is your problem? Why didn't
you take a picture of your little cheese slice that you took from my pizza, you creep?
You donated it to me, I thought.
I didn't donate anything.
You did. You're the one who put it in my bowl.
Because you were whining like gremlin.